Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I am Shormishta. Today I am going to show you how to make white sauce Maggie. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for making this recipe we need some veggies. I am here taking some onions, some carrots, some beans and some capsicums. And obviously we need some Maggie because we are making white sauce Maggie. Then we need some butter and some milk, and we also need some all purpose flour, which is also known as maida, but I have forgotten to add it here. Then just add some water to a pan and add the Maggies to the pan. And then let it come to a boil. After it comes to a boil like this, break the Maggies and then turn off the gas and then take it out and strain out the water. To make sure that your Maggies aren't overcooked, just take it out when it comes to a boil and don't let it boil. Make sure no water is left. Then take the Maggie out in a plate and add some oil to it. To make sure they don't stick together, rub the oil all over the Maggie with your hands. But make sure your hands are clean. And then keep it aside and let's prepare the white sauce. So today I'm not going to share the white sauce recipe with you guys because I have already shared it in my early videos. If you haven't watched that, just go and give it a watch. I will provide the link in the description box below. But here is a little difference. I am here adding some garlic, and that's completely optional, but I like it. I like the flavor of it. I have also added some black pepper powder and some chili flakes to it. So yeah, our white sauce is ready. So now it's time to fry the veggies. I'm here adding the carrots first. Actually, you can add all the veggies together except the onions, because otherwise the onions get burnt and you don't want your onions to get burnt. And yeah, add all the veggies together and just fry them up for 1 to 2 minutes. Just fry, and then when the veggies get soft a little bit, then add in the onions and then again fry them up. And then when the onions are also fried enough, add in the Maggies to it. And then fry them again. Not much, but a little bit. And then after frying it for a minute or so, add in the Maggi masalas to it. Then again fry it for a minute or so and make sure the masalas mixes well with the Maggi and the veggies. Also add in a pinch of salt to it. Then after you are done with the mixing and frying, add in the white sauce to the Maggi. And then mix it well.
And then mix it all together. And here is your white sauce Maggie is ready to be served.
And this is how your white sauce Maggie will look like. It looks delicious. This not only looks delicious but tastes delicious too. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.